What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Today I will be starting a tutorial known as the MySQL tutorial. So basically it'll be mostly focused on the SQL command client. So I'll be explaining you in a short while what is SQL, and yeah, I'll be showing the tutorial. Basically this tutorial will probably be of 2-3 episodes or more. Hopefully that's fine with you guys. So basically where I learned this is from I'm an 11th grade student in our own high school, so I choose informatics practices for my 5th subject, and in that we learned this. So I thought, why not spread my knowledge to you guys? Maybe you might find it interesting to learn about MySQL. Now what MySQL is, it's just the full form is Structured Query Language. So this query language is basically used to it's the command line client, which you can see my screen right now. This software or this client is used to store data or store important information. Now you will understand more detailed when I start showing you how to write queries, etc. Okay, so if you guys are excited for this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn the notification bell on so you get regular updates when I upload the videos. Okay, without further ado, let's begin. So first of all, as you can see, it's very small over here, so you want to make it big. Don't worry, there is a provision. Just right click on your mouse or on your laptop like this, and then you can see properties. Go to properties and then go to font, and then you can increase the size to how much ever you want. I'll increase it to 28. Yeah, there you go, the size has been increased. Now enter password. It says enter password because your information or whatever data you store will be completely safe if you have a password. So as soon as you download this client, it will ask you to set up a password. Make sure to set up a password which you can remember, because if you forget it, you won't be able to open the database, which you won't be able to view the information which you stored. So make sure to maybe an easy password which you can remember. Anyways, I'll just type my password, and there it is. It has been done. Now first thing is create database. So what it does is it create a database. A database is one which consists of different tables. You can create how many of tables you want and store important information in that. Now let's say create database. Yeah, so now one important thing is, let me tell you guys, it's really important. You have to always put a semicolon after you write the query, because if you don't do that, there'll be a error in the SQL, like especially in the SQL command line client. If you don't put this a semicolon, it'll become an error. So if I put the semicolon, it'll be executed, and there you go, it's worked. Now that doesn't just solve the thing. You have to first use database, because if you don't do that, if you suppose without writing use database, if you say show tables, it will say no database selected. If you want, I can show you right here. There you go, error. So you have to say use Sairam1 semicolon. Always remember about that. Database changed. There you go. Now my database has been selected. Now first of all, if you want to create a table, you need to there are certain things you need to know. First is the data type. So let me explain you the data types. First one is int, which is an integer, a number, just a number. Like for example, serial number, that will be int, and along with that you have to write the length. But that's fine, you can write any random number. It just depends on how long it is. And next up is the varchar data type. So varchar data type is a it's a word or letter word data type. So like if you want a name, a student name or a employee name, you can use varchar. Whereas char is actually different. It's a single letter. For example, gender. So gender is either F, which is female, or M, which is male. So in that instance, you should use the data type char. So now let's start creating the table. So to create the table, create table student 2. Okay, table student 2. I'm using number because I already have another database of the table. So yeah. Okay, so let's go. So first is roll number. Now int. Now roll number probably will be 1, 2, 3, 4, but we'll write 2 because maybe you'll have more people. It depends on how many students there are. So we'll just put 2 there, and then comma student name varchar. Now this is depending on how long the student name is. If you're using a full name or if you're just using a normal name, just I would suggest you just maybe put 20 or 10 as the length. It depends. Like it doesn't matter. Just like because if you put 5 or something, but your name is big, it won't add that to the table. So I'll just go for 20 to be safe. Then let's go for fifth subject, or actually no, that's enough. Like it depends how many you can add, how many other columns you want. Also you can add a column even after you create the table, which I'll be showing you after this. So just don't forget to put semicolon, click enter, and boom, there it is. It has been created. Now if you want to see whether your table has been created, just write show tables and semicolon once again, and it'll show you that there are tables. Okay, so first of all, if you want to see what data type or what data length you've given, just use describe student. Okay, oh right, that's my bad. I get a bit confused. Student 1, and there it is. It shows you which data type, whether the value is null or not, because I've not yet inserted values into the table. Now if you want to suppose select the data of your table, you just put select the asterisk symbol, which is always used to select all the information from the table. Like to display all the information in the table, we use this symbol, which is star, but in SQL language it's known as the asterisk. From student 1. Oh, that's an error, that's my bad. Select star from student. Don't forget to put the semicolon. There it is. It's showing empty set because I've not yet inserted values into the table. So those are the basics of SQL. In the next part or the next episode, I will show you more into SQL, more deep, how to insert values into the table, how to delete a column, or how to delete a particular row or a particular data if you want to delete it, or how to update, and more in the next episode. So if you guys did learn anything from this, did enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe to my channel on the road to 80 subscribers. Your guys' support means a lot to me, and yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Yeah, that's it, and I hope you guys are having a good day, having a great day. Okay, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Take care and peace.